I just want to jump right in with one of my go-to poses, the snuggle kiss. To do the snuggle kiss, start with your partner behind you. Now your partner steps to the left just enough to where half of their body is showing, with their left hand holding yours and the opposite hand at your waist. Next, engage with each other. The easiest way to do this is maintain eye contact. Then your partner snuggles their lips to your temple, and that's all there is to it. A variation to the snuggle kiss that I almost always use is the hug kiss. To do the hug kiss, start by facing your partner with your bodies touching. You place one arm around your partner's shoulder and the other on their arm, and engage with one another. Again, eye contact and smiles are both a great way to do this. Then snuggle your noses and let your partner tenderly kiss your forehead. I just love how couples hold on to the moment like they wish it would never end. While the poses look great, there are some things to keep in mind when doing them. First and foremost, you want to make sure wedding rings are showing. To do this, make sure you stack your hands. This ensures both rings are always showing. Second, make sure your hands are relaxed. It sounds funny, but think of them as feathers and they're just lightly touching your partner throughout the pose. Third, for the partner who's in the back, make sure you're not directly behind your partner. Everyone wants to see your outfit too. Fourth, make sure your bodies are leaning towards each other. This ensures a natural and engaged look. Fifth, when your partner kisses you, don't be afraid to show how you're feeling in the moment. And lastly, if the date is feeling short on time, don't worry about what's next. Take a deep breath and remember why you're holding each other. These poses work so well together because they achieve gorgeous natural smiles, give a great view of the wedding rings, and make for amazing candid interactions.